beautiful. How are you doing? I hope and everybody doing well by God's grace. Today it is your girl Irume Brenda here live streaming in Nyabohanza village. So where we are renting. So far this is where we live, where we rent. This is where we call it home. Home where we started everything, marriages, me and my husband. After you see children come, you know, our family is for two people, woman and a man. So I'm so happy, guys, to have my husband. And me and my husband, we have a journey where we have come from, and I say each and every day that God is giving us a life so that I can appreciate my husband, so that I can see the goodness of my husband. He's been standing with me, supporting me, encouraging me, and so we have started, and we are growing so slowly as a younger family, and we are here. But you go wash these things. What is not there? You go outside. You carry one jerrycan here. You wash it from there because of I don't like. Come and greet the people, and you know what? This clothes go change because you wear the last time, again you are wearing the same. You have a lot of clothes. I want every day you have to. So guys, yesterday I went and I make my hair, as you see. I just want to show you my beautiful hair. I just went yesterday to salon, and I want to take care about myself. I've been spending years and years take care of the people who are ungrateful, people who are not thankful. But when I sit down, I tell myself, Brenda, why you don't take care of yourself? Because sometimes I can want something and I said these things I'm not going to do. I can stop because I'm a woman also who want beauty. I'm a woman who want to paint my nails. I'm a woman who want to look beautiful, to go to see a dentist. I want to go to see the dentist. My teeth is very yellow. So, and I want to go to see a skin doctors, domestic skin, you know, people who are doing skin, because I'm finding out what cream can work for me. You know, I'm still trying to use this, to use that. So I'm just kinda there to realize that, to find myself, because this is the time every day when we wake up in life, you want to find yourself. Who are you? What do you need? What you want to find yourself? So me as a Brenda, I'm trying. Who Brenda? What really Brenda likes? What really can make Brenda to improve or to go to another level or to grow? So today I'm going to start working on myself, doing things making me happy. If I need to laugh, I laugh. If I need to eat, I eat. If I need to swim, I swim. Guys, to bring happiness, because in couple of some days I'll read down my nose down and my emotions, my heart. I get depression. I get lose energies. But right now I feel like picking myself to start. I'm making a video, guys. Don't make for me noise. What is really going on? Yeah? So that's why I have really tried to improve and to make sure that I really, as a young family, I have a husband, I have a child, Eliana, I have a child, Patrick, and I have Songo. So right now, how can you do to maintain this family? So today I just want to show you my husband, what we do. This is how we do. We are people who work at home. We are YouTubers. Me and my husband, he has a channel called Several the Prince. If you are new from this channel, you go and support my husband. He called Several the Prince, my sweet Bulamu, the sweet of my life. You know, Several is the sweet of my life. Is my husband, the one I chosen to be with. Matter what, no matter the devil, or matter what, we can. So right now, me and my husband, we have very beautiful family, and my husband is here. My sweetheart. What happened? Why are you fighting?
Hello guys, Several the Prince here. I'm trying to put 2x here. But today you're not eating it.
You want to give Elian? Yes.
No, for me.
Buy one for Elian.
Because I want that to karanga. I don't know.
Fry, but also you can boil another one.
No, Elian is not advised for it.
Oh, let them advise. Guys, there is people who say that the child Eliana in this size, because it's almost 1 year, but he's not eat the eggs. He's not supposed to eat.
The tongue will be heavy.
But the tongue will be heavy. It will take a long time to speak. Advise us people who grown with the children, your children cannot, which size they started eating the egg.
But I have not approved it. That's what I was told.
Okay, that's why I also am saying that we have parents, we have our grandmothers, we have moms, we have sisters, we have brothers. Let them advise us about accordingly, because according to the cultures, let me say that's cultures. They say, oh, Eliana is not supposed to eat egg. When you eat egg, we delay to talk.
But it's not
Eliana is not supposed to do that. Her tongue is going to be there. So yeah.
So I have heard you speaking something about making yourself. You know, me, even if I don't have, you saw me even in videos in Saudi Arabia. I eat. I do what can make me happy, because I believe what is in you, what you have eaten, what you have done to yourself, that is yours. But the one that even the money in the pocket and the house that you are building, anything is not yours. Because the house you will live it in this world, money you will live it in this world. You by now you work. What do you go with? The food you eat, isn't it?
Yes, it's true.
The hair you make. So sometimes if you become now, you don't want to spend on yourself, even God will not bless you.
Yeah. So my husband here, I realized that my husband he doesn't like shabby woman. He like a woman who's really take care of himself, you know. He like a woman who's looking beautiful. So the time I meet my husband, I was really trying to make sure that I have bomb, that when I walk like this, my husband will see me. So I used to wear hood, to put lipstick, but I did a certain way because of we are so busy with so many things. Like you know, when you arrive, like you are young mom, you are younger mom, you find out that the child is crying, the child, you need to take care of the child, you never slept well, the time you start losing yourself. And also that one, it can make you to look like old, you know. Brenda, I'm in 20s, or let me say I'm in 20s, you know. So I love that my husband is still young, and I ask God to give me a younger husband because I don't want to suffer. My dear, let me tell you today, I ask God to give me a young husband. The husband I would feel loved, the husband I feel like something structured, you know, something like when you see flower, what did you see in something which is making you beauty, attractive, like something yummy? Because when my husband, there's some things I see in my husband here. When my husband wearing like a short, oh my God, when he's sitting there, I feel so amazing. When my husband is passing, you know, if I'm like this, what about my husband is outside? So my husband told me that, Brenda, my wife, dude, I like you when you are making yourself clean, make your hair, buy something, look nice, be attractive, at least, because I need to be attractive to my husband, because I'm a flower, you know, so that he cannot go outside there and look for
Let me tell you something.
Yes, my husband.
Every man, it's not about the young man. Every man, even if he's old, even by now become old, and you assume that I'm old. And after assuming that I'm old, you don't make yourself. I'm telling you, you need to make yourself clean. Any man, any woman. A woman wants a clean man, a man wants a clean man. And even God himself, he likes a clean environment, a person who is clean. Yeah. If you can manage to be clean, why you make yourself that? Why you make yourself not to smell bad? Why you make yourself smelling bad? For what? You smell your mouth. Sometimes you speak to somebody's mouth until somebody pretends that he's looking at something the other side. Is avoiding the smell from your mouth. It is not advisable. Yeah.
Songo, Patrick, come and greet the people. I told you to change that clothes.
Brenda,
Songo,
let me down.
greet our people here. Love you, and you are smiling, and greet them with happiness. Greet them like this.
When I'm here with the song, no problem. When I'm here with song here at home, he speaks a lot. But when Brenda is around, he speaks a little. Yeah, like a gentleman. So I want to shower it. You proceed.
Patrick, finish quickly. Come. So I don't know which breakfast I should really prepare. I don't know.
Porridge is there?
Porridge. You don't like porridge for milk.
A porridge for me, you know, the one I like.
So I have
Mostly,
some.
if it is sour, it's my best. Like yesterday I made. How
You
was
made
it?
it with lemon.
How was it?
It was very nice. So as you see, guys, our child Eliana is here. So he was really sick, but we thank God that he finished the injection yesterday, and right now there is a improvement. We thank God, and through your prayer, our child Eliana is improved, and just we are praying for his walk. He's been walking, but you know when he been sick, he was not eating well, and right now she can walk. You can just call her again. So she's trying to gain the way again, the energy in the body, as you see.
Yes.
Yeah. Eliana, you should walk. Even the subscribers, your auntie, grandmas, they want you to
You know
to
she
walk.
walks, it's only fear.
Fierce, but she walk, guys. She walk. Eliana is walking. Man, sometimes he doesn't walk. You know when the parents they are there, he doesn't want to show like really walk. So yesterday our kitchen is really clean. The gas is clean. Everything is clean. And the one you are seeing here, the kitchen is clean. Even the floor is clean. So right now, Patrick has a lot of clothes,
Yes.
but he doesn't want. But I want you to be clean. Arrange your change your clothes. You are grown up. Let me put here. So there's something I want to thank Patrick. You've been doing my son. This is my son, our son Patrick here, Songo. I want to thank them. There's 2 days when I was feeling the one we are going hospital, and I was not feeling well. I was having flu and coughing. So I couldn't have energy. Like if I try to cook lunch, I cannot cook. But Patrick and Songo, really guys, that time I didn't have energy to record or to recommend what they are doing. Patrick cooked and Songo, they cooked rice and cabbage. They made the kitchen to be clean. They arranged it. You arrange it. The tables, really, they was really so amazing. I want to thank you so much. I want God to bless you. God will bless you in your study. You will go far and continue to support. You know, when you want to be a good child, you don't wait your parents to tell you that, hey, Patrick, remove this. No, you yourself, when you wake up, you in the bed, you need to do what? To brush your teeth. When you wake up, you sit in your bed. You pray, you thank God that God, I thank you for this day. You made me to see the light and to have life. After like that, you come down, you get your brush, you do what?
You brush teeth.
You brush your teeth and you do what? You just be here. You don't touch anywhere. People that are watching you here. Be standing stable and stand here, everybody here. And you smile because these are our lovely people who are the family who are loving us. What the good things you have, all of you have gained in YouTube right now?
Yeah, just have gained surprises.
Mm-hmm.
Is some people that are ready to take me to school.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Clothes you are wearing.
Yes.
The people, they love you. But how do you feel when you have people loving you?
I feel good.
And Songo, what the things you have get in YouTube really tell you that really, I want to thank God. Kitu gani?
Ya kitu gani? Kenye YouTube imekupatia ukajisikia kwa roho yako mzuri.
Yeah? Talk louder. Look here and talk. Uniform. Yes, Songo, those things. You remember how they bought for you a uniform?
Wakakubaya info.
How did you feel that time?
Wanakutumia pesa.
You are feeling good. You feel that time. How did you feel? You feel something new. So when you are here, I want you to smile. I don't want you to fear. Be free. Be happy. Talk the way you want. Plan the way you want. Watch TV the way you want. Okay? You don't have you have life, eh?
Yes.
So when you started to eat in the school, how did you feel? The food of school, carrying the food from home and eating. What is the good things? Eating in the school, huh?
Yes.
Wow! Clap, 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 clap. So clap. Guys, so he can talk, but when he reach in YouTube song, people they want to see you smiling. Can you show us how you smile? Smile. High five, Songo. Give me a high five. Yes, Songo. You for be happy. Smile like the way Patrick is smiling. You see the face of Patrick always, guys. But really, you can look. Song is smiling. So today, we are going to play something. Game. Patrick and Songo and me and Daddy. We are going to play a game. A game. We are going to play a game. Then we'll see who's going to win. And we are going to put money. Yeah? We are going to put money. And then you will see. Hey, I'm not going to tell you guys which game we are going to play. Go and sit down and think which game we are going to play.
Yeah.
Which game?
For jumping.
Woo! Eliana.
Yeah, I know.
Which game?
Feet.
Yeah?
Feet.
Okay. So Eliana, guys, yesterday, stand up. Yesterday, I made a hair for my daughter here. It's called Eliana. It's very beautiful. Woo! Eliana! Stand up. Eliana, stand up. You. So Eliana, yesterday while she's sleeping, I was fixing her hair. I will fix. Sorry. I will fix her hair when she was sleeping. Now I'm wondering. You know, one thing being mom is also a challenge because I'm wondering what things I need to cook for these children. Really, I'm just wondering. You know, like now I have work now. I have matoke. I have Songi doesn't like egg. You know, the children, they've been not going out. We decide today to spend the day only inside in the house with the 1 week with the children. So we want to change them their diet of the food. So this is morning, early morning, so they are hungry. So I'm thinking about to make toast. So let them ask them. Songo and Patrick, come, because I ran away from the ideas of the food. And now if Elian is here, also he has his own food to eat. So I'm asking myself, which breakfast I should cook for you guys? Which breakfast you really want to eat? Because me, I want idea.
So, nataka leo tukule
English. So come this way.
tukule nini sai.
Breakfast. Which breakfast you want to eat?
Tasema itu matoke.
Matoke is lunch. That's lunch. But we are talking about chai, bread. We are talking about anything you want to eat. Because me, I don't have.
Then you need to go to buy.
Me,
I don't know.
Songo, which breakfast we should eat? What?
Strong tea.
Strong tea with what?
Me what I choose.
Mandazi. So if we make right now mandazi, I should send for him this son to go to buy cooking oil because the
you
cooking.
can go to buy in the shop.
To bring what?
Mandazi.
Mandazi.
Don't you cook?
The cooking mandazi, the one they cook at home is very delicious than buying. You know that. And for the home, you can eat more many than what? Also, Eliana, you want to explain something? Eliana, say something.
Me, I was saying. I was not saying you cook. You give us money, go to buy mandazi. We drink with it.
Okay, but now I know what I'm going to do for you quickly, guys, for breakfast. Do you know? Do I burn I make for toast, not the egg, the one I burn. Who love it? Then you use.
One for egg.
for egg. So for you don't eat the egg. I can make for you you remember the one I did in Ikisi?
Yes.
I cannot do for you there, then I put for you the Nutella. Yes. Okay. So take that scissors in my room so that I don't lose and the child to cut himself.
Today
So
we bring tea for you.
yes. So I'm cooking here the egg of my husband, 2 eggs, because it's very advisable. As doing that, you need to eat the egg. Yeah, so guys, today you are going to see a lot of things, what we are going to do, but to stay with the child. I need to start with the food of Eliana because some will go in the sitting room because someone can enter. But it's Roman, you want? So, guys, I want to start with this Irish potato to do with the child. But wash your hand before you touch food. I want to clean it. You know, me clean it much a lot. And this is our ingredients. I have tomato, onions, and everything, garlic, green peppers. I want to fry these Irish potatoes for Eliana to eat something. I can even cook too. Yeah. So let me start. You will see me later because I'm going to disconnect like this and like that. So let me see. Guys, one things make me laziness. I want to speak to you or open up to you also to we share the idea. So wait, I clean the camera. Sometimes you can record. You find the video that I brought you only singing darkness there in the eyes of the camera. Cooking. Child like my daughter Eliana here to cook her food. So it make me laziness, or it depends that maybe I like to eat rice and I know the rice is not very heavy to the child, like Eliana is not ready to start it picking. So it make me lazy, and sometimes when you are moving the way I move, like maybe today you are here, you are not, we are in different part of you are moving about according to our work. You know, we are working so hard to make sure that we can make our family to be stable. Yeah. But that's the things make me laziness by cooking. Even my husband here is complaining a lot. Cooking Eliana's food. So today I want to start with Eliana to make sure. What did you prefer? The food of the child. Do you like to fry it to make it a little bit to be tasty, or you like to make for the child supposed to eat the boiled things? So for me, I'm just going to put a little cooking, a little, so that to make this tomato and onion to be. Then I pour what the Irish potato. I made also with 2 bananas, as you see here. Then I start frying them quickly because Eliana, he can't wait, is very hungry. So, and I put the chai and I cook. So guys, we are speaking the life of entertainment, the life of social medias, all the work what we are doing, life, being family and shooting, coding as a family. It's really, it is work. When you bring people who really are working, really guys, we work so hard because it's not easy. It's a job to maintain it, having children, having family, being YouTuber. Sometimes you can get even tired. You feel like you don't want to do anything, but as you need to proceed, because we need both. We need the marriages, we need the work, we need the families. So you need to know how to maintain it. So things like that. Give them just as they are hungry. This one I just want to burn them. I want to do toss. To burn them quick and quickly. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Who's that one?
Where's my egg?
You wear the t-shirt.
You see it?
I'm recording.
Is it ready?
Yes. Sit down, you take breakfast. Egg and bread are here.
I want water for them. You make up.
Put some more water. They have put the heat.
Wait then. Wait then.
I don't know if someone will do it.
I have looked at the tree. When removing from the mouth, she goes directly for it. Listen. Yeah.
So I made it for you egg.
Remove skin.
Patrick, hello. Ndabaona mutiro. And today I said reading books. Today is a reading book. Come drink breakfast.
You put the egg or you fry?
Not fry like that. Toast. They
You
call
pan
it
it.
toast bread.
You pan. It becomes different.
Have you ever not eaten bread like that?
No, we put the egg or something.
No, I finished. That is how also another way. It's very tasty also.
You roast. Roast it. Is it really good to that? Huh? Why do you that? Let me check.
It's not wet. So this one I should return.
You know you can be sick.
If
You know
it's
that?
not boiled already.
Huh? You know you can be sick.
Mm.
You are removing again.
It's not boiled yet. I will
No, you are removing again or you could return.
Let me put it down.
But this one is okay. Because out is the one with other problem.
Ready?
Open we see. But why did you open and you want your rest? It's okay this one. It's okay.
Yeah, it is. Wait. Design.
Design.
Give it there and say yo.
This is cannot be good for good health.
What?
Images.
Okay, good.
Give me a salt. Patrick, give me salt. Why you don't put salt where it's supposed to be put? Give me this. Why don't put salt there?
Salt was there, Patrick is the one who used it to finish it.
You used and you never put.
No, I don't know how to do it.
No, did you wash your hand before sitting in the dining?
This is salt. You don't want to eat. Okay, take.
Chai, and make sure you finish your tea. Always I find chai is here. It means spoiling sugar. You make sure you drink your tea. You finish.
You see, this. I cannot do. She eats this. She removes this and puts it I can do.
What, Ariana?
I don't know.
I need to do chai for Ariana.
She doesn't drink this. She does the now. Irana, when she pits you, she laughs. She's happy to pit you. I thought you were making bottom egg.
Already you have eaten boiled egg.
Not the boiled. For children, for the one fried.
Already this one is okay. If they want Nutella, they can eat with Nutella.
Nutella, what is that?
Nana nataka Nutella chocolate. So, Nana nataka you want?
No.
Patrick?
Want Nutella?
No.
I don't want.
Where did the others plate?
Yeah.
Baota, me get me.
You want that for egg.
Finish. Let him eat this one. He will not die next time. Yeah?
Thank you for making good food, eh?
Huh?
I'm feeling it from far. You said you don't want. You changed your mind.
What?
The Nini is very, remember she has things in the mouth. She can't.
No, she wants it.
Hmm?
She wants the child.
Don't force in her tongue.
She wants the child.
When she eats, she bites it, doesn't she? She starts crying. Sorry. He's feeling pain.
One child?
I'm giving.
See the code.
I'm doing.
You see the pattern.
Elena, wait. Wait, Elena. Elena, for you is here. And your food?
I'm gonna fight the game.
This one will find you.
Eliana is here.
Oh, don't give.
Yes, I'm.
Give.
How can we put it now?
You smash it.
Don't smash too much.
This is my talk.
And I've not seen this. That image she sent. Where's the phone?
You finish eating first.
Where's the phone? Where's the phone? Bring.
Eliana, finish the chat.
That has been.
Eliana, I want you to shower now.
But it's not. It's still hot.
Come.
It's not hot.
So,
Now, one
Eliana is
person
not.
who don't eat the noodles giving me hell. I can fry I'll make matoke with egg. But so
No.
he doesn't eat the egg.
It doesn't need it.